Hey guys, it's Jordan with Florida Drone Supply. Our team just got back from the second annual FLOCON event in Auburndale, Florida, where we were so proud to be a sponsor and a supporter, and we could not be more happy with how it went. With over 350 public safety officers in attendance from Florida and from as far away as Texas, Michigan, New York, and Maine, there was not one agency or department that we didn't get a chance to talk to. We were overjoyed to share test flights, demos, tactics and training, and product information on everything we offer here at Florida Drone Supply. FLOCON was a 3-day show in which we were able to have over 30 hours of flight time for demos, which is crazy. We also enjoyed hosting a featured talk on drone laws, US manufacturing, tactics, and new products coming from our product manufacturers. We highlighted some amazing drones, such as the Teledyne FLIR Cyrus, the brand new Autel Alpha, the Inspired Flight IF-800, the Parrot Anafi USA Government Edition, the Teal, and many more. We even had the Teledyne FLIR Black Hornet with us, the tiniest drone of all, but one of the mightiest. Thank you to everyone who made this event thrive. We can't wait to see you next year. For more information on these products, you can visit floridadronesupply.com. And if you have any further questions, please don't hesitate to call 855-8-DRONES or email info@floridadronesupply.com. As always, thank you for watching and happy flying.